Hey everybody, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. This is our dyno room. On the dyno today, we have one of our base engines. This is a 351 Windsor engine. It has stock bottom end features and have all been remachined to our specifications, featuring ARP rod bolts, ARP main bolts, cranks been cut to our specs, brand new comp cams, roller cam. We go over the Edelbrock E Street cylinder heads with our own valve springs, Viton seals. We chucked the 3/8 studs for 7/16 studs. We got fully rollarized stainless rocker arms. Beautiful. This happens to have Cobra valve covers on it. This also features the FiTech EFI throttle body system. This is a 400 horsepower rated combination. So basically what that is a certain size camshaft, Performer RPM manifold. 99% of our engines feature an MSD billet distributor. This customer wanted the engine block painted a custom gold color. Don't know if you can see that in the video, but we can custom spray to any color you want. If you've got an actual paint coat or you want to send us the paint, Doug will spray it up for you. That is an upcharge, but we'd be happy to do it for you. This engine also features a front sump chrome oil pan, and he's got the March pulley system on here. Really makes this thing gorgeous. Taylor spark plug wires, all good quality stuff. These engines normally make over 420 horsepower and almost 430 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad for a base 351 Windsor. And the FiTech's been all set up on the dyno, timing curves been all set up. Like I said, all quality parts here. Check us out, customcrateengines.com by Proformance Unlimited, or give us a call at 800-267-3940. We can supply you with any kind of Ford, Chevy, Chrysler, Pontiacs, and Oldsmobile, Dodge Specialist. I mean, any kind of V8 engine, check us out. We're also on YouTube, Facebook, we're all over the place. Give us a call. We'll be glad to build your custom engine. Everybody have a good day out there.
Okay, Rufus, your 351 Windsor EFI engine. We're getting ready to make a pull.